3, 2, 1.
Which Broadway play is based on Christopher Isherwood's book, I Am a Camera? The answer is A. Cabaret. Which part of an atom has the least mass? The answer is A. Electron. The Ganges River is located in which continent? The answer is B. Asia. Which kitchen item is used to chop and mince ingredients? The answer is C. Chopping board. What occurs when some substances change chemically to other substances? The answer is B. Chemical reaction. I cross the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans but don't get wet. What am I? The answer is A. Bridge. What is the capital of the state of Washington, United States? The answer is D. Olympia. What constellation contains the Milky Way's center? The answer is C. Sagittarius. Refraction happens when light bends from doing what in a new medium? The answer is B. Changing speed. Which cellular organelle uses oxygen and glucose to provide energy to the cell? The answer is A. Mitochondrion. Orange skin, white flesh inside, not a fruit but related to it. What am I? The answer is A. Carrot. Which film won the highest number of Academy Awards ever, with 11 wins? The answer is D. All About Eve. I touched the North Pole, but I'm not a flag or an explorer. What am I? The answer is A. North Magnetic Pole. Anna's $5.00 and Jeff gives her $2.50. Then she goes and buys $3.38 worth of candy. How much money does she have left? The answer is D. $4.12. What is the only human cell with flagella? The answer is A. Sperm. The milk float vehicle is used for milk delivery in England. What company produces it? The answer is D. Loctite. The term byte originally referred to how many letters in telegraphy? The answer is C. 8. Which psychological theory suggests that people have an inherent desire to belong and feel accepted? The answer is A. Behaviorism. Where did Fred Flintstone's family come from in the TV series The Flintstones? The answer is D. Arkenstone. The word berserk, referring to Norse warriors, means what in Old Norse? The answer is A, bear shark. I throw, but I can't hit. What am I? The answer is C, pitcher. In a polygon with 6 sides, what is the angle between two consecutive sides? The answer is C, 120 degrees. Who portrayed an anti-war activist and veteran, born July 4, 1946? The answer is C, Tom Cruise. Wind is one method for dispersal of what, ensuring a new generation? The answer is D, seeds. Photosynthesis makes food for the plant by converting carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight into what? The answer is D, sugars. What's the equipment used for hitting a baseball called? The answer is A, bat. The way of learning that involves reward and punishment is called? The answer is A, conditioning. Which wave has a fixed amplitude and wavelength but variable frequency? The answer is C, triangular wave. What can travel all around the world but stays in a corner? The answer is A, stamp. What is the unit of evolution? The answer is A, the population. The accordion is also known as a piano in some languages. What is the actual piano referred to in English? The answer is C, organ. Which language was named as the most beautiful language in the world by UNESCO? The answer is C, Arabic. What causes a blizzard? The answer is A, rain. What type of meal is the Native American dish called alegria? The answer is D, candy. Which human activity most often has a harmful effect on the environment? The answer is D, polluting. Which skeletal muscle raises or throws back the shoulders, assists in moving the head to one side or another, and helps hold the head erect? The answer is B, trapezius. Which type of bike has a motor and is used on public roads? The answer is B, roadster. Rose Nyland, one of the main characters in the series The Golden Girls, was from which small town? The answer is C, St. Olaf. Which name refers to a private in the British Army? The answer is D. Tommy. What WW2 event that occurred on 6 August 1945 was codenamed Little Boy? The answer is D. The dropping of the atomic bomb on Hiroshima. Who starred in Doogie Howser, M.D.? The answer is A. Neil Patrick Harris. Which tool helps in hanging pictures on walls? The answer is A. Screwdriver. Which instrument is associated with Scotch snaps? The answer is A. Bagpipes. Which animal can climb upside down? The answer is B. Sloth. I'm a white, fluffy ingredient in pancakes and waffles. What am I? The answer is D. Baking powder. What actress plays Claire Redfield in Resident Evil: Extinction? The answer is A. Ollie Larder. I can travel through space and time but remain in your hands. What am I? The answer is C. Book. Swamp plants die, fall to the ground, and are buried by other dying plants. Approximately how long would it take for plants to possibly become a fossil fuel? The answer is A. 1 million years. I divide a continent into two halves diagonally. I'm not a ruler. What am I? The answer is A. Equator. Who played Tyrion Lannister in Game of Thrones?